Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nightlight on Microsoft Surface Go 3. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and open our settings. Now find the System, select Display, and here you'll find the nightlight. You can activate it or deactivate it, but there's more. You can click on this arrow, and here there's option to schedule your nightlight for a certain amount of hours, or for example from sunset to sunrise. And there's also option to adjust the strength of the nightlight with that slider. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.